Ever find yourself struggling to stay healthy and active during the summer months? You're not alone. With scorching temperatures, relentless sun, and pesky skin issues, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But fear not. In this video, we'll delve into the essential tips and tricks to help you beat the summer heat and maintain your well-being. From staying hydrated to protecting your skin, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in and discover how you can thrive this summer season. Before we jump into the tips, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to staying healthy in the summer? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And hey, if you find these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Now, let's get started. Summertime can really throw a wrench in our fitness routine, right? But did you know that the sun's rays can actually impact your weight and overall health? Research suggests that increased sun exposure may disrupt your body's metabolic processes, potentially leading to weight gain. Plus, those scorching rays aren't just uncomfortable, they can also increase your risk of serious skin conditions like skin cancer. So, it's crucial to find ways to adapt and stay healthy in the heat. Let's delve into some effective strategies for maintaining your health and fitness during the summer season. Stay active, stay cool. Transitioning from indoor workouts to outdoor activities during the summer not only keeps your fitness routine fresh, but also helps you beat the heat while enjoying nature's beauty. Consider activities like swimming, which not only provides a full-body workout, but also keeps you cool and refreshed in the water. Biking to the grocery store or taking leisurely weekend hikes are excellent ways to incorporate physical activity into your routine while soaking up the sunshine and vitamin D. Green up your plate. Leafy greens aren't just a trendy food choice, they're nutritional powerhouses essential for maintaining your health during the summer months. Incorporating spinach, kale, and lettuce into your diet not only provides hydration through their high water content, but also supplies your body with vital nutrients like iron, magnesium, and calcium. These nutrients support various bodily functions, including regulating body temperature and supporting healthy weight management. The SEM skincare routine. As temperatures rise, so do skincare concerns like dryness, sunburn, and breakouts. Embracing the cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing SEM routine is essential for keeping your skin healthy and glowing all summer long. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, sweat, and sunscreen buildup, followed by exfoliation to slough away dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Finish with a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate and protect your skin from the harsh summer elements, preventing dryness, sunburn, and premature aging. Hydration is key. With the sun beating down and the body losing water through sweat, staying hydrated becomes paramount during the summer months. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, starting with a glass in the morning and sipping regularly to replenish lost fluids. Incorporate hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and berries into your diet to boost your hydration levels further. Remember, staying hydrated isn't just about drinking water, it's about maintaining a balance of fluids to support overall health and well-being. Opt for breathable fabrics. Choosing the right clothing can make all the difference in staying comfortable and cool during the summer heat. Opt for loose-fitting, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, and bamboo to allow air to circulate and sweat to evaporate, keeping your body temperature regulated. Light-colored clothing reflects sunlight and heat, while dark colors absorb them, making lighter hues the ideal choice for hot summer days. Additionally, consider investing in moisture-wicking activewear for outdoor workouts, which helps draw sweat away from your body and keeps you dry and comfortable. Sun protection essentials. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays is crucial year-round, but especially during the summer when sun exposure is at its peak. Apply sunscreen with broad-spectrum protection UVA and UVB and a minimum SPF of 30 before heading outdoors, focusing on exposed areas like the face, neck, arms, and legs. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, or more frequently if swimming or sweating profusely. Don't forget to wear protective clothing like wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and lightweight long-sleeved shirts and pants to shield your skin from direct sunlight. Time your outdoor activities. To minimize sun exposure and reduce the risk of sunburn and heat-related illnesses, plan outdoor activities during the cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late afternoon. Avoid prolonged exposure to the sun during peak hours between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. when UV radiation is strongest. Seek shade whenever possible, whether it's under a tree, umbrella, or canopy, and take regular breaks indoors to cool off and rehydrate. Mind your beverage choices. While indulging in summer beverages like iced coffee, smoothies, or cocktails can be tempting, be mindful of their effects on hydration levels and overall health. Caffeine and alcohol are diuretics, meaning they increase urine production and can lead to dehydration if consumed in excess. Opt for hydrating alternatives like water, herbal teas, infused water, or coconut water to quench your thirst and replenish lost fluids without overloading your body with sugar, calories, or stimulants. Downsize your meal. As the temperatures rise, downsizing your meals can be a smart strategy to stay healthy during the summer months. With the heat slowing down digestion, opting for lighter meals can prevent that uncomfortable feeling of being overly full in the sweltering heat. Personally, I find it beneficial to prioritize lighter, more easily digestible meals, especially during the evening hours when the body's metabolic rate naturally starts to slow down. Eat more cooling foods. Another essential tip for staying healthy in the summer is to incorporate cooling and hydrating foods into your diet. These foods not only help replenish lost fluids, but also provide relief from the scorching heat. Consider increasing your intake of foods like sesame, coconut water, cucumber, mint, fennel seeds, and watermelon. These delicious options are not only refreshing, but also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants to keep you feeling cool and hydrated throughout the summer season. Summer workouts. Staying consistent with your fitness routine and remaining active despite the summer heat is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Here are some invigorating exercises that you can enjoy during the warmer months. Swimming. Dive into the refreshing waters and embrace swimming as your go-to summer workout. Not only does swimming provide a full-body workout, but it also offers a reprieve from the heat, making it an ideal exercise for staying cool while getting fit. Whether you're doing laps in the pool or enjoying a leisurely swim at the beach, swimming is a low-impact activity that can help shed excess weight and improve cardiovascular health. Brisk walking. Beat the heat with a brisk walk early in the morning or during the cooler evenings. Brisk walking is a simple yet effective way to stay active and boost your fitness levels without putting undue stress on your joints. Plus, walking outdoors allows you to soak up the sunshine and enjoy the beauty of nature while getting your daily dose of exercise. Hiking. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in nature by embarking on a hiking adventure. Whether you're exploring local trails or venturing into the hills, hiking is a fantastic way to challenge your body and mind while enjoying the great outdoors. Not only does hiking provide a cardiovascular workout, but it also strengthens your muscles and improves balance and coordination. Cycling. Trade in your car keys for a bicycle and pedal your way to fitness and environmental sustainability. Cycling is not only a fun and eco-friendly mode of transportation, but also an excellent form of exercise. Whether you're commuting to work or cycling to the local market, biking helps improve cardiovascular health, build leg strength, and burn calories, all while reducing your carbon footprint. By incorporating these practical strategies into your summer routine, you can stay fit, healthy, and energized to make the most of the sunny season ahead. Remember to listen to your body's needs, prioritize self-care, and enjoy the beauty and warmth of summer while maintaining your well-being. So there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to staying healthy and happy this summer. From staying active to nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods, these tips are sure to keep you feeling your best all season long. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite summer health tip. Until next time, stay cool and take care.